If your engine is idling rougher than a lawnmower or you hear a weird metallic pinging sound every time you try to accelerate uphill, your exhaust gas recirculation system is likely screaming for help. The P046E code specifically points to a range or performance issue with the electrical circuit for exhaust gas recirculation sensor B. This system exists for one major reason, which is to keep your cylinder head temperatures below 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, because once it gets hotter than that, your car starts pumping out nasty nitrogen oxides that cause smog. The computer opens the exhaust gas recirculation valve to let a little bit of spent exhaust back into the intake to cool things down. But if sensor B is sending a signal that is too high, too low, or just plain nonsensical, the whole process breaks down. If the valve gets stuck partially open because of carbon buildup, your car will struggle to idle or might even stall out at red lights because it is basically choking on its own breath. To fix this, you really need to look at the specific type of sensor your car uses, especially on vehicles like Ford's, where the differential pressure feedback sensor is a common failure point. Often, the two small rubber hoses leading to that sensor get plugged solid with carbon or even melt. So, cleaning those out with a small screwdriver can sometimes fix the code instantly. You should also pull the valve itself and check for coking, which is just a fancy word for heavy carbon crust that prevents the internal pintle from moving smoothly. Be extremely careful when testing the wiring, because if you probe the wrong terminal and send a surge into the computer's input, you could fry the entire module. If a good cleaning of the valve and the hoses doesn't clear the code, use your service manual to verify the sensor's voltage range before you decide to replace the whole unit.